Hey guys, it's Christina with Hidden Treasures Kansas. Today we're at a local park pond and we're going to do some magnet fishing with a Brute 880. Go straight up. A piece of metal. Okay. I'm going to try to go further out.
Okay, you're on the line.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a weight?
This is a little BB or buckshot.
Yeah.
A bird shot.
Huh. Yep.
Shiny. Yeah. Got there. Wire piece and magnetic mud. I can't get up here. Yeah. I'm gonna go out that way.
Okay. Oh, it got stuck in the crack.
Yep. More metallic mud stuff.
Okay.
Trying to get it over there without getting caught in the...
The evil crack of the wood. Nope. Oh, nice catch. Someone thinks they're Tarzan.
Oh, that's nasty.
Nope, yet. It was just a seaweed I saw.
I'm gonna try to swing it.
Uh-huh.
See if that'll...
Is that an old hook?
Part of one.
Yeesh.
Yeah.
So, with a hook.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Nice find.
Thank you. I'm still stuck on something, so
Okay.
I'm gonna try
Again.
out there.
Alright. Maybe we'll find that legendary fishing pole.
Where? Right where those bubbles are.
Yep.
Goodness.
All the little rocks and such.
Look at this. Look at that.
Might try going further out or something.
Yep.
Nice.
Nasty. Nail.
Okay. There's nothing.
Fishing line.
Yep. There's one end of muck of that. And there's the other end. Well, cleaned up a bunch of junk there.
Yeah. Wonder if there's like weights and stuff in the gunk
No, but
balls.
the hook. And the treble.
Oh, yep.
That's the other. You found the other hook to that treble, I bet. About the same size and shape. A little bit better if we're closer to where you were wanting.
Oh man.
What's up with me and fishing line?
I don't know. We could probably get it back.
Here's the kelp. Nope. Further. Piece of wire.
Huh.
Another nail. A little bit of fishing line. Okay. That's it. That's a huge chunk of wire.
Yeah.
Should we have a bite here?
That line. Oh,
Guess I have it?
yeah.
No, no, no. That's the line I hit last time.
Yep. It's all the way out there. Whoa, whoa.
You alright?
Yeah. Wow.
Well, I got a swivel and a couple hooks here. On this
Yeah.
end. You alright?
Yeah.
Didn't snap back and get you.
No, it sprayed like water on me, but that's about it.
Okay. Yeah, I got a rotten worm, a hook, another giant swivel, and probably some more stuff in there.
Yee.
Found the old line at least.
Yep. That's one of those worms that you like dip in the stinky bait.
Yep. The tube bait worms or something like that. Hook and swivel are still good on it, so we can break that out.
Yep.
I'm going to say it now. I'm the fish line champion finder here between the two of us.
Yeah.
I've found like what 5 different lines through our adventures.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I'm gonna try and go that way a bit once I get out of the bite. Okay. Oh, don't take that back in. If you do, I come up with a fishing line.
Wouldn't be surprised if you did, but yeah, you didn't. Well, kind of. Is it a fishing line?
Yes, that's monofilament. It's just a little chunk of it, but yeah, it's monofilament line.
Yep.
Well, I'm so clear. Nothing. That's seaweed. No fishing line this time. Alright.
Hey.
Better?
Yeah.
Did I splash you?
Spray back somehow.
Oh, the rope.
Yep.
A bottle cap.
Well, that's first for us.
Budweiser. Or, no, Boulevard. Boulevard beer cap. So we're prepping for fallout because I just got us a bottle cap, right?
Yeah.
Some more debris. Just weeds and such. Too long on the base. Unless it got stuck in the crack. We're about to have a friend.
It would have gone if it didn't caught.
Yeah. On top. Nothing on bottom.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
A little bit further that time. Never trip fast again.
Mm-hmm.
Just seaweed.
careful with that.
What is it?
That is, it looks like a push pin.
Oh, lovely. Nice attempt to get around the tree. Oh, huh?
Freaking cracks. Stuck under that concrete or whatever.
Ah. You got the speak.
Mm-hmm. Lost it. Oh, there's a little piece of rock.
Okay. Didn't quite know which way you're going there. Well, our duck friends have migrated down with us.
Yep.
The fish behind us.
Oh. Fish or frog?
Don't know. Something jumped in the water. How about that? I'm gonna try my method.
Yep.
Just don't do what I do.
Can't get very far with that, personally. Raise up. Hopefully I'm just gonna stick.
Okay. Oop. Got something?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
That's a flashlight.
Huh. Or is it a laser pointer? No, that's a flashlight. Huh. That's a cool find, honey.
Mm-hmm. I'll have to see if it still works.
Yep. Congrats. That's one for in the box.
Yeah.
I'll go put it back there for now.
Okay.
Nice.
I'm going to, first of all, wash the mud off. Bob along in here.
Okay.
Scissors.
Mm-hmm.
And a hook, yeah.
Thank you. Holy hell. Sorry. That's a good hook.
Yeah?
Holy moly. Why are we good at finding sharp objects?
Why are people good at losing sharp objects?
Yep, I'll go put these with the bucket real quick.
Okay.
Nice finds.
Thank you. stuff.
Oh, sludge stuff.
Metallic sludge.
Yeah. Fell rocks and such. So yeah. I find fishing line, you find cool things too.
Yeah.
I mean, scissors are kind of an oddball, but thing to find.
I'm trying to move that stick.
Oop, you scared off your dragonfly. It was on the other end of it.
Oh.
That stick goes all the way over to where
Yep,
it's at.
it's still there.
It came back.
Oh.
Oop, you got something. Fishing line. No?
Nope.
Okay.
Has leaves stuck to the magnet with rock.
Aww. That's alright. It looked like you actually had another hook or something.
Yeah.
He lowered his stick.
Oh, sorry, dragonfly.
Looks like he got leaves again stuck with rock.
Something. Look at the seaweed stuff. Lots of that. Metallic sludge. Dang leaves. You're not magnetic.
Or are they? Maybe it's very iron-rich soil. Coolsies! Nature came and paid us a big visit today.
Yeah.
We've had ducks, turtles,
A heron.
a heron, dragonflies, and now a snake.
Alright guys, it's getting late, so we're going to call it for today. Today was pretty eventful. We found some pretty cool things, so it wasn't a total bust. Did find a lot of fishing line, so we're going to throw that away. So hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.
Oh. You're caught. Hey. Love you. All sorts of caught aren't stuck, aren't you?
Hello duckies.
Hello, friends. Sorry we do not have food for you. We're trying to clean up your little homes.
Hello.
Please move. We do not wish to hurt you with the magnet flying.
Cute.
Mm-hmm. Head back that way.
Okay.
We're gonna try and go kind of push underneath this tree.
You're gonna get caught.
Yep. I find the right angle here. I was on the line. My bad.
Hello duckies.
We're the same people as before.
Yep, we don't have food.
There's tasty moss though.
Yeah. I don't want to sit down.
I know. I don't blame you.
Doesn't matter, duck.
There's no food here. Go eat the moss. We don't want to spook you. Fish. Yes, this is a camera. Same as last time. Move along, please. They're sweet ducks, at least. You gonna try out to the left there? Or are you still worried about freaking them?
Wait till they get a little bit further away.
Okay. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Thank you guys for the visit. Again. That should be out of our range. And hopefully shouldn't spook them. We have a turtle coming to investigate us.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. Oh, friend.
There's something right there that I keep. It's like kind of by the stick, but it's not the stick.
A snake.
Oh my goodness. Hi, big guy.
That's a rat snake. And he's coming up underneath the deck.
Cool. Wow.
At least not a rattler.
Hi. He's over here.
Hi, you're not a cottonmouth, are you? No, the nose is wrong for cotton. You're a rat.
I'm a what?
You're a rat snake. You're friendly. We'll leave you be.
Big.
Mm-hmm.
Goodness.
About 3.5 feet, you'd say?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for the visit. Interesting banding. At least 3 to 5 feet.
Yeah. Fast.
Oh, yeah. That's why when I first saw it, I was a little worried about it being a cottonmouth. Fair?
I don't think cottonmouths are banded like that at all.
No, they're not. And two, the face is all wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever it was nice.